Hello and welcome to Accountancy Tube Cima lectures. Now this lesson is brought to you by Accountancy Tube, as you already know, and this is Cima paper P1 introductory lesson. Now P1 exam of Cima is a management accounting exam. Now you might already know that what management accounting is. You might have studied at some earlier stages, or you might have studied at some other qualification on the basis of which you got into Cima qualification. Now this level exam, although it is not extended exam, it is not advanced management accounting exam, but still it examines the paper at intermediate level. Now after passing this exam, you will be able to not only explain what management accounting is and the differentiate between cost accounting and management accounting, but you will also be expert on calculating different costing techniques, different decision making techniques, and different performance measurement techniques as well, because this is as I said, a very detailed and mixed exam in which you will see different decision making techniques and different costing techniques. Now what is the relationship of this exam with the other exams at Cima? Now, after passing this exam, you will be able to take P2 exam, which is relevant to this exam and which is advanced management accounting. Now, why you need to pass this exam in good grades? If you pass this exam with good grades, because this is the basis of P2 exam, which is very extended exam, and that is a high level exam of management accounting, and that high level of management accounting, which is advanced management accounting, it has got relationships with another exam at the next level of management accounting, which is related to risk. Now these three exams are very much interrelated, and they've got steps up. So first of which is management accounting, which we will study in this paper. Now as I said, that this has got a lot to do with the other exam, higher level management accounting, which is advanced management accounting. So that's why you need to concentrate this exam with much of attention, because the more strength you have in this exam, the more easier will it be for you to grasp the knowledge which you will study at advanced management accounting. Most of the topics which we will study at this level, at this management accounting exam, although they will not be an extended version, they will be a small version of the topics, but they will still be a little bit complex, because you haven't studied management accounting in your earlier studies. You might have studied, but it is totally different from the ones which you have studied. Especially at Cima, there is not any relevant exam to this one prior to this one, right? So that's why all the topics we will study here will be relevant to the advanced management accounting, which you will study at next level. Say for example, linear programming, decision making techniques, performance measurement, relevant costing itself, and the cost accounting techniques as well. They are all the topics which you will again study at advanced management accounting, but they will be extended version. So that's why if you're competent enough, if you're strong on these topics at this level, it will be easier for you to grasp the extended versions of this topic at the next level. Before you watch these lectures, this is just an introductory lecture of this exam. Before you proceed with other lectures, please make sure that you watch the syllabus video, which is available on our website, which will take you to Cima official website. Please make sure that you watch that video. Now that video explains what the syllabus of management accounting is about, but not only syllabus, but it will also tell you the exam format and the exam sections themselves. It will also tell you that which syllabus area is more important, where you need to concentrate more and where you need to concentrate less. Because some of the areas of this exam P1, say for example, if you pick the cost accounting techniques, cost accounting technique has got 30% of the exam. 30% of the exam will come out of the cost accounting techniques, as compared to the decision making. Decision making has got only 10% perhaps. So 10% of the syllabus will come out, 10% of this exam will come out of the decision making. So that's why you need to watch that video, so that I will tell you again when we discuss each topic, but please make sure you watch that video so that you can know that which topics are more important for you to understand and which topics will earn you more marks in the exam. That is called the exam planning, because most of the candidates fail the exam because they don't have plan to pass the exam. They don't have exam techniques. After finishing all these lectures, at end of the session I will also give you exam tips, which are obviously free, just like these lectures are free for you by Accountancy Tube, right? So you don't have to worry about anything as far as this paper is concerned. This is very easy paper if you take it from the lectures and you study well and you give it the time required to pass this exam, right? Now, although these lectures are free, but what you need to do is, we do not provide exam kits and study text for this exam. So unfortunately, if we don't provide it for free, you will need to buy it in the market. If you want, you can buy it from the market. If you want to buy from us, although we don't give it for free, but we definitely give some discount to the students. So you can send us an email on publications@accountancytube.com, and you can inquire about the specific books which you want. Obviously, we give the discount to the students, and you can get the books from there as well. But if you want to buy from the market, you can buy. They're different from $5 to $15, $20. They're not that expensive. But the lectures, which is most expensive thing of all, it will be provided to you absolutely free, so you don't have to worry about anything, right? So this lecture was just an introduction of management accounting. I will tell you the more topics that we will study. I will tell you the details of the topics we will study in the next lectures. This was just an overview how to use this website and how to get most out of these lectures. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel as well, so that you can get updated whenever the new lectures are uploaded. These lectures will be uploaded gradually, and so that you can update yourselves as well. Please make sure that you also like our Facebook page, where the more updates and details will be uploaded gradually whenever they may appear, right? And please, obviously you will need to look at our website, where you can find lots and lots of stuff absolutely free. These are all just the lectures. Some of the lectures has got lecture notes as well. You can download them as well for absolutely free. Now, after passing this lecture, you might think to move to some other qualifications as well. Now, let me tell you an interesting point of view, that this exam, which is P1 exam, after passing this exam, you can easily go towards other qualifications as well. Say, for example, if you want to go to ACCA or you want to go to ICAW, so they will give you exemptions as well on passing this exam. This exam is exactly the same exam of ACCA FIA qualification, which is FMA, Foundation in Management Accounting. So that exam and this Cima P1 exam is exactly the same. They got exactly the same syllabus, and although the exam format is different, but syllabus, as far as syllabus is concerned, it is exactly the same as far as P1 Cima is concerned and FIA FMA is concerned. Also, ACCA paper F2 is also exactly the same, which is Cima P1, right? So lectures will be free, and you can watch them exactly here. You can watch them on our website, which is accountancytube.com. All right, I will see you in the next lecture with the basic cost accounting techniques. We will not look at the management accounting, basics of it, and the difference between financial accounting and management accounting. If you feel any hesitation on these, you can go to our ACCA section of these exams, which is F2 paper. But as far as as long as you are comfortable with the basics of management accounting, if you have studied at other exams, if you're comfortable with them, you can continue from this. In the next lecture, we will study the basic cost accounting techniques, which are traditional cost accounting techniques. Right? So you take care. Good luck to your exam, and I'll see you in the next lecture. Thank you.